Do you think it is too late for you to start investing? How do you start investing if you have absolutely no knowledge? Is there a way you could make up for the lost time? You know what? It's never too late to start investing. Well, here's a fun fact for you. Even today, less than 4% of the Indian population is invested in the stock market. So in today's video, let me take you to the journey of a couple who will start investing in their 30s this year, but still become very wealthy in the upcoming years. So together, let's fix their finance.
I'm Gerard and I'm from Kerala. I've been in Bangalore for past 10 years and here I work as a director for Furious Fox. Furious Fox is a design and development studio.
Hi, myself Anju. I'm a dentist and I'm from Kerala. After my marriage, I moved to Bangalore and right now I'm working as a resident dentist in electronics.
Hello guys, welcome to another episode of Fix Your Finance. Today I've got Gerard and Anju and thanks for inviting us. How's it going?
It's going good.
So since how long have you been married?
2 years.
2 years.
So you guys are a pandemic couple?
Yes.
Yeah.
So you must have saved a lot of money because guests...
Yeah. That was a huge thing.
Weddings before pandemic.
600 लोगों का गेस्ट लिस्ट भंडारा थोड़ी ना खोलना हमें। और ये मोंटी है कौन?
तू मोंटी को भूल गया नालायक। अरे मोंटी तेरे दादा के भाई के लड़के के फूफा जी के छठे बेटे का नेबर है मोंटी।
Saved a lot there.
As of now, how much do you collectively earn?
So I make around 1.45 lakhs a month.
What about you, Anju?
It is more like 16k in a month.
16k.
Okay, I'm just a beginner and a trainee actually.
Okay, so collectively you are making around 1.6 lakhs a month. First of all, your take-home pay collectively is a very big amount. In India, almost 90% of the population makes less than 25,000 a month. What's your current rent? First of all, is this on a rent or do you own this place?
This is a rented house.
This is a rented house. Okay, so what's the current rent monthly?
It's
26,000.
yeah.
And this includes maintenance and everything?
Yeah,
Everything.
Do you guys have a help here?
Yeah,
Yes.
we have a maid.
Okay. And how much does she charge?
2,500.
Okay. What about travel? Do you own a car or do you guys use
I
Ola
have
Uber?
a scooter.
You have a scooter.
Yes.
Okay. What
But
about
most
you?
of the time I try to take the two-wheeler out. Like I hardly take our car out.
So on a monthly basis, how much do you guys spend on fuel?
I think I spend around 1,500 to 2,000 on fuel.
And what about your grocery, food, going out?
4,000.
Okay.
Yeah, I think so. Maybe maximum 5,000.
Okay.
Sometimes we'll order weekends.
Sometimes we get lazy and then we order.
Yeah.
What about OTTs? Do you guys watch Netflix, Amazon, Hotstar and all?
I think whatever I have heard, we have that. And it's not us, our friends use it.
Of course.
You know, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's the way.
Yeah.
That's the way. You guys also have a dog, Timmy. I'm guessing that must be a very expensive affair, right?
Not at all.
Not really. Less than 2,000.
What about your shopping? How much do you spend on shopping?
2,000 something.
So these were your recurring expenses. But what, do you have any liabilities? Loans?
Yeah,
or
we do
EMIs?
have a few loans. So
Okay.
my mom recently bought a car, so I'm paying. Mom paid half of the price, and then rest I'm paying as an EMI.
Any other expenses that you guys can think of which we haven't already covered?
Credit card bills
So how much do you spend on your credit card every month?
between 25 to 35.
25 to 35,000. And what's your credit limit?
75,000.
So what's your current credit score?
I need to check what's my credit score right now, but it's not good.
One thing which I would personally recommend is, like, if your limit is 75,000, then don't spend anything more than 21,000, which is like 30% of the limit, because there's this thing called credit utilization ratio, which is basically how much you spend divided by your total limit. If it's anywhere above 30%, then you are basically seen as a reckless spender, spending more than what you can actually afford to, and that might impact your credit score as well, which eventually will, you have to end up paying a higher interest rate on your bigger loans. Like if you plan to take a home, buy a home or a car, you have to pay a higher interest rate. So please keep it below 30%. Okay, so I can see that while your income is high, your expenses are also on the higher side. So after all these deductions, expenses, loans, the money you are sending back to your family, are you guys left with some room for saving or investing?
So recently I have started a Chit fund. because my mom recommended it to me, so then I started.
हम सभी ने फिर हेरा फेरी में लक्ष्मी चिट फंड का नाम सुना था। चलिए आज समझते हैं चिट फंड होता क्या है। मान लीजिए एक ऑपरेटर 12 लोगों को इकट्ठा करके हर महीने उनसे 20,000 रुपए कलेक्ट करता है। महीने के एंड में 2,40,000 का पूल बनता है। उसके बाद उन 12 लोगों के बीच एक ऑक्शन शुरू होता है और जिन्हें भी पैसों की जरूरत है वो ऑक्शन में बिड करते हैं। ऑक्शन जीतने के लिए आपको सबसे कम बिड करना पड़ेगा और जो भी सबसे कम बोली लगाएगा उसको पैसे मिल जाएंगे। इस एग्जांपल में संगीता को ऑपरेटर का 5% कमीशन कटने के बाद अपना पूरा बिड अमाउंट मिल जाता है। Even after getting the entire amount, Sangeeta has to keep paying 20,000 every month for the entire tenure. जो बचा हुआ 60,000 है वो 12 लोगों में इक्वली बढ़ जाता है। ये 5,000 रुपए उन सारे मेंबर्स का मंथली डिविडेंड है। अब ये 12 महीने तक चलते जाएगा जब तक सब लोगों को एक बार पूरा किटी मिल जाए। अगर किसी ने एक बार बिड करके पैसा ले लिया तो वो फिर वापस बिड नहीं कर पाएंगे। This is a very interesting product. People who are in need of money can bid a lower amount and get a big lump sum without any collateral. People who have excess cash in hand can save for a regular period of time, plus they also have a chance to make big monthly dividends if there are a lot of desperate people in the group who are constantly bidding lower amounts. But this is not particularly an investment product because your returns will depend on other people. If most people in the group do not need the lump sum immediately, then there will be no bidding war, and in that case your monthly dividends will be very, very low. Plus, in the end of the tenure, when you get the money back, the operator will still cut a 5% commission. Chit funds are regulated in India and are very popular in states like Kerala, but there have been many scams in the past where people did not even get their money back. You are investing a very big part of your total monthly income in something which will not necessarily give you a return.
Correct.
Okay, firstly, if you don't win the lucky draw, जिसके chances are very high because it's not in your hand. Okay, then at the end of 4 years or 40 months, you will be getting an amount which is lower than what you had invested.
Yes.
Plus, there is also the effect of inflation, right? Because of inflation, 4 years back, the cost of car and the cost of the same car today is very different. Cost of fuel is different. Cost of groceries, everything is different.
Everything is different, yeah.
So basically, you are investing in something wherein the odds, the major odds, will support the fact that you will end up making less than what you invested. This is probably not the best investment vehicle for you because the final ROI is actually not there. It's basically like a pool. You are sending it to your mom and after 3 years, because you are reckless, she will keep it for 3 years and then pay it back to you.
Correct.
Right? It's the same fund, right?
Yes.
I would suggest a better vehicle, a better investment instrument which has no risk at all is something called a recurring deposit. Okay, it's like fixed deposit, bank fixed deposit, but here you have to invest every month. Current recurring deposit rate is anywhere between 5.5%. If you invest 30,000 every month in this RD for 4 years, then your 14.4 lakh rupees will become 18.55 lakhs. And this is guaranteed because these rates are with banks like HDFC, ICICI, SBI, the top banks in the country. And this is the least, like risk-free, this is almost risk-free here.
I should, really start.
Yeah, so this is extremely basic, you have to do nothing. Second, if you have the capacity to, take more risk, let's say you know that out of this 30,000, 10,000 rupees monthly is an amount that I can let go of for more than 7-8 years, then you can consider investing in mutual funds or index funds. An index is basically a basket of companies which are picked in order to replicate a certain part of the market. The index takes into account the price of each security in the basket and then transforms it into one clean number. In India, Nifty 50 and Sensex are the two most important indices. Sensex is the flagship index of the Bombay Stock Exchange. It comprises 30 top companies which are picked in such a way that they try to replicate the entire Bombay Stock Exchange. On the other hand, Nifty 50 is the main index of the National Stock Exchange. This index comprises 50 companies from different sectors and it tries to replicate the entire market as a whole. So I'm saying that don't directly start it from day one, but I would suggest that the investment asset, Chit fund that you are investing in currently is not giving you the best returns out there. There are better investment assets where you can invest and get a higher ROI. So this is the first investment, 30,000 rupees in a Chit fund. Do you have any other investments going on currently?
I have a ULIP plan.
ULIP, unit linked insurance plan. Okay.
Yeah.
So ULIP is a product where the commission is very high. Reason being, they are giving you investment plus insurance within the same package. So this product this product has a very bad reputation because in the last 20-30 years, the commission started from 40% and even today it's at least 5 to 6%. So I would suggest keep your investments and insurance separately. One of the most attractive parts of a ULIP is that you get this insurance cover, right? If you invest that 20,000 or even 18,000 rupees separately in index fund, FD, RD, I can guarantee without a lock-in period, you'll make way more money than what a ULIP is offering, for sure. Recurring deposit and fixed deposits are very easy to understand. आप एक दिन पढ़ोगे website में, you will understand. Next, understand what an index fund is. Once you start understanding, once you are convinced that yeah, this is a product where I am comfortable holding, if an Anshuman comes and tells me that this is a wrong product, I have a rebuttal that bro, no, sorry, what you are saying probably is right, but we have a reason why I invested.
True.
That reason should never be like a bank RM told me that this is a good product.
No, I mean I know, but first of all, I'm 32 and I haven't started investing or saving like I should.
I really want to tell you guys that starting investing at 32 is not at all late. You guys are actually very early, and I want to demonstrate this. When do you guys want to retire? 60?
Yeah.
60? If you invest in a bunch of index funds, stock market, mutual funds, and safer instruments like FD, RD and everything, let's assume that overall you get a return of 8%. That's a very conservative interest rate. I am taking the worst case scenario. 50,000 rupees invested for 28 years at 8% will be 6.28 crores at the age of 60. I'll tell you the best part. If you start your own clinic, what is the kind of jump you will get? From 16,000, what can the expected earnings be?
Initial years, it will be very difficult.
Yeah.
After 2 years, maybe I'll get 1 lakh, 2 lakh. Something.
Easily. So which means that after 10 years, every year gradually your investment amount will also increase. So nothing has been lost, guys. Abhi to just start hua hai. Even in the future, whenever you are investing, only invest in things that you are confident about. That will give you the courage to hold that instrument for these 20-25 years. And that's when money is made. Money is made because of compounding, compound interest. That's it. Moving on to a lighter note, it's now time for Fattafat Finance. It's our own version of a rapid fire. I ask you things and you just answer the first thing that comes to your mind. Okay, first question, a luxurious house or a luxurious car? What do you guys prefer?
Luxurious house.
Luxurious house.
One financial habit from the past that you guys want to change it or you guys regret?
Credit cards. It's one thing, and being too generous with my money and helping out people, I should really stop that.
No, see, being generous is not bad, but it should not come at a cost where it's biting you only. Yeah. The last expensive thing that you purchased?
Expensive headphones.
Nice. Are you enjoying using them?
Yes.
Nice. What about you?
One diamond necklace.
Diamond necklace. Nice, nice. At what age did you guys first make money and what was the amount?
Around when I was 19. Okay. Yeah, I think it was somewhere around 5,000, 6,000.
Nice. So you started off pretty early.
Yeah.
Yeah. What about you?
When I'm doing my house agency period.
Okay.
So.
25, 24?
No.
Okay.
Will not get that much actually.
No, 25,
I mean
24.
age.
Yeah.
Age is like 24.
24. Okay.
Yeah.
And what was the amount?
4,000 something.
Yeah. All right. That brings us to the end of this segment and also to the end of this video. Thank you so much, guys, for inviting us. I hope we were of some help.
It was really educational. I have learned a lot of things in this within this short meeting, and yeah, I could really make use of it.
Guys, if you are in Bangalore or any part of the country, then please fill the form below. Aaj ke liye itna hi. If you guys liked any part of the video, then please hit the like button. And guys, if they haven't subscribed to the channel yet, then what would you recommend?
Please like,
Please
share,
like, share,
subscribe.
subscribe.
And also press the bell notification because we make such videos every week. See you guys. Bye bye.